holes? Is that plywood? I think I've finally mastered this coffee thing. Third time's a charm. This is probably why they charge so much for drip coffee, pour over coffee. It's long. It's actually really nice for camping though. About down to the end. This cup is dirty, Tito. Did you scoop coffee grounds in? Looks a little. Oh well, the coffee beans will filter it. Good lord. Alright, taste test.
Ooh, delicious.
Much better?
Yes.
Does it taste like it came from our Ninja? Oh, it tastes like bacon grease though. That's good. I left. It has burgers on the charcoal. Excited. Ooh. Burgers on here instead of flat top. The flat top's just not. Oh, and we have a few brats left too. Flat top just not where it's at for burgers and dogs. Yummy. Our tiny little hot dogs or hamburgers. And then pull out the breadies. We got such a mess. Oh well. So yummy. They're so small, but
The sliders?
they're a little, yeah. They're like those little like White Castle burgers. Isn't that what those are that are like 3-bite burgers?
Yes.
Everybody gets 2 hamburgers on a hot dog. Oh, nice! Look at him!
It just started going. See how chopped the water is?
Yeah,
That
that's
thing, the tip of the pole, just like this, and then went, and it just slammed.
Oh.
Like, so we
Yay!
have
One catfish!
I don't know what the size regulation is.
I have no idea. Yeah. Dang, it is like really choppy down
It sucks. See the
Kinda
circle hook? See how it
sucks.
circles it right there? Yeah, I know what I'm saying.
Uh-huh.
If it ran with it.
here. Do you want this?
Okay, he's on. He's on. He's on. Hey, check the other one too.
Take it to the stringer.
Hold it up. Hold him up to the. Hold on so you can see the body. Sideways. There we go. Whale Adventures, another catfish. Gavin got another one. Whitney Lake. So we got our first largemouth. Hold up to the side here. Let's go take a pictures real quick up there. I gotta show Jessie though.
It is Sunday morning. Making some breakfast tacos. And then we're probably gonna pick everything up and head out. Go back home. Here's breakfast Sunday morning. I just realized this salsa is pickle-licious salsa. Did you realize that?
Yes, we did.
So it tastes like pickles? I just put like pickles all over my...
There was one that was super hot, but we didn't get that one. It just has that good vinegary taste.
Okay. Alright, so we got breakfast tacos. Waiting on Tito to get some water for coffee. It's our last morning. Do you have any plans?
Nope. Eat some fish.
Fish. Oh, fish tacos. Fish breakfast tacos. We made sausage, so.
I think our fish is still cold.
Or are you gonna wait till we get home and then make dinner with it? That's what's left? I would like do it in the morning or this evening.
A lot of water inside, but it should be okay.
Oh. Yep. I'm hungry. One last fish before we leave. It's a lot less choppy now.
So we're gonna cook the fish that we caught this weekend. Right there's the catfish, the 2 catfish. Right there the bass. I'm gonna do bass nuggets. I just got an egg, some milk for my batter sauce, and some Cajun seasoning here. And it's supposed to be spicy. We'll see about that. So start off with the nuggets here.
Those are the bass nuggets?
Yes. The bass nuggets. Now we're going to give them a little flip. And then we're going to remove them and plate them. Now it's time for the catfish. I already have one done for you.
So what, these are bass, this is catfish shrimp?
Yeah.
So we're here, we're watching Yellowstone, that's why we're eating in bed.
So this is the bass nugget. That's good.
Out of 10?
9.25.
Dang, that's high.
Oh, try yours. You'll see.
Not anymore. Not for a while.
I forgot I soaked them in lemon juice and red wine vinegar. You get a little aftertaste in the middle.
Oh, that's good. That's really good fish,
oh my
yeah.
God. Oh my God.
Yeah, especially for fish, I would give it like 9.2. They're really good. Ooh, they're spicy too. That's perfect.